I review makeup and beauty products for a living and test hundreds of products every year. And one question I'm asked a lot is, what drugstore products do I keep going back to? What do I repurchase? I actually just ran out of a couple of products that I need to restock. When I go back and spend money on products again instead of using what's already in my stash, that's a pretty big deal. This video is in partnership with Target, so I thought it would be fun to take you on a Target run to restock these staple favorites, and then I'll show you the products in action and share why I keep coming back to them, why they're worth my money. All right, let's go. All right, let's head in and we'll head straight to the Maybelline section. Looks like they have a nice wide selection to choose from. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you've definitely seen me use this foundation and rave about it quite a bit. It's one of my favorite drugstore foundations. So when I needed another bottle, Target was an easy stop because they have pretty much all the shades here. My year-round shade is 125, so I'm going to grab it because that's what I ran out of. But I have a bit of a tan right now because we just went on vacation, so I'm thinking I might grab a deeper shade too for summertime. And this is a nice daily mascara I've bought a few times. I've bought both the waterproof and the regular version. I'm also going to grab this primer while I'm here because it's a nice gripping primer for hot, humid weather under matte or semi-matte foundations for my combination skin. All right, I'll share more details on these as I'm applying them to my face, but I have to grab some other things from Target while I'm here, so I'll be back in a couple of seconds.
Let's start with the Grippy Serum Primer. It has a lightweight, watery fluid texture that hydrates without feeling heavy like many Grippy primers can feel. And because it has 2% niacinamide, it smooths pores and gives your skin a fresh, plump look. It grips makeup really well without that sticky feeling that many Grippy primers have, which I really dislike, especially during these hot, humid months. It seems like I can always feel gripping primers on my face, but this one feels like nothing, and I absolutely love that. Instead of my usual 125 shade, I'm trying out shade 129 today since I'm just a bit darker. I'm over 50 and have combination skin with dry and oily areas, and this blends out and wears so nicely on all areas of my face. It's buildable from medium to nearly full coverage, and it always looks so natural even if I do build it up. It has a really pretty, soft, natural matte finish with a hint of luminosity. No glitter or shimmer though. That's smoothing and flattering on texture and pores. It's incredibly lightweight and holds up amazingly well in super hot, humid New Orleans summers. You can't ask for much more than that. I've repurchased Sky High mascara more than once because it gives me length and volume without flaking or smudging throughout the day. It's just a nice, easy mascara if I want something for every day or if I want something more dramatic for nighttime. Everything I'm sharing and wearing in today's video is linked for you down below in my description box. I also have my LTK shop link where you can find these products and other favorites.
These are makeup products that actually do what they say they'll do, and I absolutely recommend checking them out. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up or hype it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!